Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I take a few minutes and I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week. So, let me move all of this out of the way and we will get to it. First up, I had this fun scene card for the Craft and Kimmy challenge. The challenge this week was, or last week was, the theme of summer. So I thought this Good in the Woods and Good in the Woods accessories stamp sets were perfect for making this little scene. Don't they look like such happy campers? And it says, "You make me a happy camper." Have to say, I'm really feeling more confident in making scene type cards, and I even drew in my own little bushes or trees in the background there. And then I guess I just left that one blank on the inside, but I really thought that turned out cute and it was a lot of fun. Next up was Mermaid Monday. So I used one of the new Sweet November mermaids. This is Mermaid Hair, Don't Care. Again, another scene card. This is also from Sweet November Stamps. It's from their Horizon Lines series, and it's Under the Sea, I believe it is. So that was fun with all her little fishy friends. I got an eel there. The hair was so fun to color. And on the inside, it says Mermaid Hair, Don't Care. So that was for Mermaid Monday. Next up, I colored this image last week, so I got her on a card. This is Big Hair Amara. And I have to giggle because I didn't plan on putting these little banners here, but this polka dot paper, I didn't notice until I glued it down, was cut kind of at an angle because I had just saw it in the paper pad and I'm like, oh, that'll work, and I didn't really look at it. So I cut these banners to cover it up. Quick fix there. And on the inside, I used a sentiment from a company that's no longer in business. And it's, "A good book is like a good friend. The best part is on the inside." Because I thought with her little books there and her little cat friend. So I thought that turned out cute. Next up, it is June. So there is a new stamp of the month at Craft and Kimmy called You're a Hoot with this cute little owl. I paired it with some woodsy paper I had in my stash. You can get this stamp for free when you spend $75 at the Craft and Kimmy store before tax and shipping and while supplies last. And then I did stamp it on the inside as well. I just think that owl is adorable. Next up was the sheet load of cards. I do have a blog post and video on that, so I won't spend a lot of time. Again, if you've seen everyone else's sheet load, mine is very unique because the night that I created it, I probably should not have been creating, and I made my fold different because this is actually supposed to be on here and it's supposed to open this way, but mine has like a double book, I think we'll call it. So I did use that Sweet as Can Be stamp set from Craft and Kimmy. So the first one was "I'm so lucky to be your friend," "Honey Kisses and Beautiful Wishes," and then "Happy Birthday because you're special." So I do really like how they turned out. I feel really bad that I did not do the sheet load as it was supposed to be, but I'm making peace with it. I gave you another option of a way to do it, and I will be back later in the month to share a set the correct way. And then Friday, it was my day for the Not Too Shabby Instagram team. So I used this Best Tees digital stamp. I sized it pretty small this time so it would go on here. I colored it up with Copic markers. I don't know if you can see the shine. I put glossy accents over them so it would look like the little plastic glasses. Paired it with that bubble tea paper pad, which I think is so fun. I mean, can you see how cute those little images are on there? And then I put just some banners on the inside there. And I'd like to point out I hand cut them. See how crooked they are? But anyways, they're on the inside, so it's all good. But anyways, I thought that turned out good. Also for me, it was a pretty big deal to kind of put it kind of at an angle because I normally like things all straight and everything. So I was really proud of myself for that one. So there are my creations for this week. All the links and all that good stuff is in the description box. If you want to know more about these, you can go ahead and check that out. I will be back. Don't know if I have any videos coming up very soon. Like I've mentioned, because I'm so excited, Crafty Al and I are going on a road trip, crafty road trip. We're going to go to Tailored Expressions, maybe another store around there, and then we're going to go to Scrap Mania in Cedar Rapids because I guess it's supposed to be very, very large and fun. I think we're going to try to vlog it. Actually, Crafty Al is. I will leave a link in or a post in my community tab whenever those are up if you're curious to see that. But until my next video, whenever that might be, I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you soon.